Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this series, we are discussing the important biological days that are celebrated in December 2024. The next day that is being celebrated in December is International Day of Preparedness 2024, that is celebrated on December 27th, 2024, strengthening global health system and readiness. Let's start with the introduction. That is, it is observed annually on December 27th. This day highlights the importance of being prepared for future pandemics and epidemics. Pandemic and epidemics में difference है. Epidemics is the sudden outbreak of some disease that spread to many organisms at a single time in a confined area. Pandemic is when this disease, that pandemic spread to the many areas, that is globally. सो हमारे पास में जो हमने अभी जो फेस किया है कोविड 2020, दैट इज़ अ पेंडेमिक डिजीज़. Next about this was established by United Nations to raise awareness of global needs for better preparedness, response and collaboration, so that if some pandemic or some type of disease hits the world, then we are prepared for this disease. We have the lesser time to respond so that we can save the life of the people, and we need more collaboration in between the countries, so that if some country have the ability or have the vaccine or any type of treatment of that particular disease, can be spread globally. Next is focus on preventing, detecting and responding to the emerging infectious disease to protect public health and mitigating the impact of global communities. The importance of epidemic preparedness is why the epidemic preparedness is important, that is global health security, so that we can protect our citizens and reduce the impact of the future outbreaks. जो हमारा कोविड में हाल हुआ है वो हमारे साथ में दोबारा ना हो, इस वजह से ग्लोबल हेल्थ सिक्योरिटी के लिए दैट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट. हेल्थ सिस्टम स्ट्रेंथनिंग, जो हमारे बिल्डिंग्स रिजिलेंट हेल्थ सिस्टम इम्प्रूव्स रिस्पॉन्स टू इमरजेंसीज. अगर हमारे पास में एक टाइम पे कोई इमरजेंसी आती है तो हम उसको फाइट कर सके. इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी, जो टू मिटिगेट द इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट्स ऑफ पेंडेमिक. ग्लोबल कोलैबोरेशन, irrespective of the borders, epidemics doesn't respect any borders. They are not bounded by the boundaries. They spread all over the world. So cooperation among the nations is very, very important, is essential. What are the key elements of epidemic preparedness is surveillance systems, so that अगर कोई भी हमें डिजीज़, फॉर एग्जांपल कोविड हिट करता है या कोई और ऐसे डिजीज़ आती है, तो वी कैन डिटेक्ट इट अर्ली एंड वी कैन provide the measures to be protected from it, provide the early response from this, and we can have the treatment it for the betterment of the human society. रैपिड रिस्पॉन्स टीम, जो हम रिस्पॉन्स बता रहे थे वो हम जल्दी से रिस्पॉन्ड कर पाएँ. वेल इक्विप्ड टीम हमारे पास में अवेलेबल हो, हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अवेलेबल हो, सो दैट जैसे आपने देखा था कोविड में हमें बेड मिलने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, किसी को बेड नहीं मिल रहे थे, किसी को जो मेडिसिन थी वो नहीं मिल रही थी. तो हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में एडवोकेट, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ एंड ट्रेड प्रोफेशनल्स एंड एमरजेंसी प्रोटोकॉल्स. पब्लिक अवेयरनेस, सो दैट जो हम कोविड में हमने फॉलो किया था, जो हमारा लॉकडाउन पीरियड था, उसमें जो पब्लिक अवेयर हुई थी दैट वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्व्स एंड अदर्स बाय wearing a mask, by maintaining a proper distance from the other people. That is about awareness of the public. Global cooperation, again without the respect of the boundaries, without anything, we need global cooperation when something like this pandemic or epidemic happens. Lessons from the past epidemics is HIV AIDS, that importance of international cooperation, awareness campaigns to control the pandemic. SARS 2003, lessons on rapid response, global cooperation in controlling cross border transmission, so that अगर किसी एरिया में, एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में कोई भी डिजीज़ हिट करती है, एक एपिडेमिक हैपन होता है, तो वी नीड ग्लोबल cooperation in controlling the disease in that particular area, not spreading it all over the globe. That again Ebola that happened in 2014 till 2016, the need for stronger healthcare system in affected region and quicker deployment of resources. That again COVID-19 that happened in 2020 and 2022 revealed the gap in preparedness for early detection of the vaccine distribution and need of better global response mechanism. The next is role of WHO and other global organization. WHO stands for World Health Organization, leading to global efforts in pandemic preparedness, response, providing technical supports and corresponding international actions. Global Health Security Agenda is a multi-layer initiative that works to strengthen the capacity of countries to prevent, detect and respond to the health threats. United Nations coordinates cross-border assistance and provides support for health infrastructure. Gavi is related to the vaccines, works on vaccine distribution and strengthening immunization systems. Next is how we can strengthen epidemic preparedness worldwide. Building safer health system, जहाँ पे हमारे पास में health system infrastructure, workforce और training हमारे पास में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा available हो, so that if any type of disease happens, we are totally prepared for this particular thing. Next is improved early warning systems, where expanding surveillance networks to quickly detect new pathogen and track the outbreaks. Enhanced global coordination irrespective of the border, international collaboration on research, resources and sharing the best practices. So that if we talk about the COVID, then the causing agent for COVID का हम पहले उसको आइडेंटिफाई करें, उसके बाद में उसके रिसोर्सेज हम ढूंढें कि उस पर हम कैसे उसके अगेन वैक्सीन्स बना सकते हैं, और उस वैक्सीन्स का फिर हम बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस करें कि हम उसको ग्लोब को प्रोवाइड करें. Next one is equitable access to vaccine and treatment, ensuring that vaccine and medicines are available to all, especially in low-income countries. What is the role of individual? हमने अभी तक ग्लोबल लेवल पे बात कर ली कि ग्लोबल लेवल पे कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, क्या उनका फंक्शन है. अब हम बात करते हैं इंडिविजुअल्स की. दैट इज़ पर्सनल हाइजीन. अगर हम अपने रेगुलर हैंड वॉश कर रहे हैं, मास्क पहन रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिसिंग सेफ हाइजीन, सेफ डिस्टेंस हम मेंटेन कर रहे हैं वन पर्सन टू अदर पर्सन, देन देयर इज़ मच बेटर एज कम्पेयर टू द जब हम प्रॉपर उस एपिडेमिक को हिट हो चुके हैं. वैक्सीनेशन, स्टेइंग इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट वैक्सीन एंड पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन वैक्सीनेटिंग प्रोग्राम्स, एजुकेटिंग अदर्स. हमें अपने बारे में पता है कि हमें मास्क लगाना है, हमें हैंड वॉश करने हैं, हमें एक डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करनी है. बट कुछ पीपल ऐसे होते हैं जिनको नहीं पता, जिनके पास में एजुकेशन नहीं होती है. देन वी हैव टू स्प्रेड द अवेयरनेस टू सच पीपल्स एंड प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्फ एज वेल एज others by creating awareness, supporting health workers, volunteering and providing assistance during health emergencies. Next is ongoing global efforts for epidemic preparedness is Global Health Security Agenda continues to improve health systems worldwide by providing critical initiative for disease prevention, detection and response. Next is international health regulations, which provide legal framework for countries to report outbreaks and respond to the health threats. For example, अगर हमारे पास में कोविड के बारे में ही हमारे पास में अर्ली रिस्पॉन्स होता कि कोई पर्टिकुलर कंट्री हमें बता देती कि हमारी यहाँ पे ये आउटब्रेक हुआ है और इससे हेल्थ थ्रेट्स हैं, इससे जान भी जा सकती है, देन वी कुड हैव पुट ए अर्ली लॉकडाउन और हमारी जो सिचुएशन है इतनी वर्स नहीं हुई होती. Next is COVAX facility, ensuring equitable access to COVID vaccines globally. One health approach is a holistic approach to address the health threats at human, animal, environmental interface. Next is what is the future of epidemic preparedness is enhanced technology using AI and big data for faster detection and response. Next is global health governance, strengthening international health regulation as framework for faster decision making, for faster distribution of vaccines like these. Universal health coverage irrespective of the low income, high income countries, inclusiveness and accessibility to all people irrespective of the location and income, एक प्रॉपर हेल्थ सिस्टम हम उनको प्रोवाइड करें. Resilient communities fostering a global future of health, education, preparedness and sustainability. Epidemic preparedness is a global responsibility that requires proactive investments and international cooperation and constant vigilance. By raising awareness and strengthening preparedness, we can minimize the impact of future epidemics and protect global health. On International Day of Epidemic Preparedness, let's commit to making our world safer and more resilient to the threats of infectious disease like COVID-19. That's all about this particular day. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If there is any query related to this video, we are open in our comment section. Please hit the like button, spread as much as possible, share the video and like my channel. Thank you so much.